And if I say, what is this 2 here, then what is 2 here?
No, this 2 is exponent and its square is power.
Okay. It's a base here. Exponents here and the powers are the same thing. Exponents and the powers are the same thing. The 2 is the base here. If I have here 3/4, 3 and 3 is raised to the power 4. So here 3, what is 3 here, Kanishka? What is 3 here? I'm not able to hear you. Kanishka, can you hear me? I can't hear you. No. Please remove the earphones that you are using. Yeah. What is 3 here? Mm-hmm. 3 raised to power 4. What is it? Base or the exponent? It's a base here. It's a
Base.
And why do we use here exponent and power? Why do we learn? Why do we learn here the exponents and powers? Anyone can tell me here? Why do we use here?
Ma'am, for example, if we have to multiply 3, 4 times, like, so in short form, we use 3 raised to the power 4.
Yeah. If we have to like multiply many times, if I have to write 2 times 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 2. So it is very, very long, right? To tell you, guide you, or write here. So what we do is 2 is the base. 2 will be the base here. How many 2 are we multiplying here? How many times we are multiplying? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the 8 will be the exponent, the power here. That means here we have to multiply the 2 8 times. The power, the exponent tells us how many times do we have to multiply the base. Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
If I say here 4 raised to power 5, Harshit, can you tell me how to express this here?
Ma'am, 4 is base and 5 is power or exponent.
So how to expand here? How to write into the multiplication form?
Ma'am, 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4.
How many times should I do it?
5.
Right. Are we good here, everyone? Labisha, Labisha, Levanchi, sorry. Siva, Harshit, Advika, and Kanishka. Are we good here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next we have here, this is here. So here, the exponent that we have already learned, that is 2 here, and the 3 is the base here. Okay. So if here we have already studied this 3 squared, when the power is here 2, when the exponent or the power is 2, we say squared. What we say?
Square.
And
Square.
when the power is here 3, then it is cube.
Base.
Then it is,
Q.
when the exponent is 3, we say here the cube. And when the exponent is 2, so we say it's a squared. Are we good here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here, if you see here 3, 4. So which means we have to multiply 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, that is 81. And if we are reducing here 1 power, like here, it 4 becomes the 3 here. So we have to divide here by 3 and it will become here 27. Right? Are we good here?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
If we here subtract 1 from the power, the 3 becomes 2. So again, we have to divide by 3. The answer will be here 9. Are we good here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
When we reduce the power here 2 to 1,
Yes.
means we have some. So we are again dividing here. And here, whenever the exponent, this is the law, this is a rule here, whenever the exponent here is 0, then the value will be 1. All have till now, I think I may be here wrong, that I think there you have only learned this law only. Why it happens here? Why x, if the x is 0, then why the value is 1 here? So here is a proof. If the 3 cube is 27, 3 square is 9. Here we can see here we are subtracting the exponent by 1. That means we are dividing by 3 here. Here we have subtracted the 1 here. We have got 0 here. And then we are going to divide 3, divide by 3. Then that will make here 1. Are we good here, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So can you make me understand that why we have used this -1 here?
Here, this is a pattern here that when we are reducing the exponent by 1, we are subtracting by 1, we have to divide by 3, because if you see here 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, right? Here there are 4 3's, right? When you have to remove, pardon?
No, ma'am, I was saying yes.
Okay. So whenever we are here, like subtracting 1 3 here, means if I say here 3 times 3 times 3. So what we have to do to balance it out? We have to divide by 3, right?
Yes.
That's how we have done here.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So here a negative exponent means to divide by the number of the factors instead of multiplying here. So whenever the exponent is here, whenever, it's a rule here, whenever the exponent is negative, we have to make it here the positive here, which means that if we have here 3 raised to power negative 2, we can't have the exponent in the negative sign, right? We can't. Now, the question arises in our head. So what can be done to make it here the positive? How can we make this -2 to the +2? So what we have to do here, we have to do the reciprocal of the base. I hope everyone remembers the reciprocal here. Reciprocal means, yes, Advika wants to say. What will be the answer if we reciprocal 3 here?
1, ma'am, the inverse, 1 by the number.
1/3, right? It will be 1/3 and square. Are we good here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll check now. Okay, Harshit, if we have here 4 -7, so how should I turn the exponent, the negative exponent to the positive here?
Ma'am, we will first reciprocal it. Ma'am,
Tell me the answer, the final answer. You will write
ma'am,
it.
can you say the number again?
4 -7.
Ma'am, 1 by 4 raised power 7 is the reciprocal answer.
1 by 4 and the raised to power 7, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Harshit got the correct answer. Very good, Harshit. Okay, Lavanshi, if we have here 1/3, here we have -2. So here we have
3 upon 2 is to the power of 2 means 3 is to power of 2.
right, perfect. Kanishka, if we have here 5 raised to power -5 here, how will I write this here?
One by 5 power negative 5.
Negative will become positive. That's why we are reciprocal the base, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So this will become here 5 here. Okay.
Yes,
We have to make the exponents here the positive ones. Okay. Okay. So if we have here, Siva, if we have here 3 -4, what will be the answer?
1 by 3 -4.
Here we are reciprocal the base here, the inverse of base, because we have to make this here exponent the power into the positive one. So -4 becomes here
1.
the -4 becomes +4. Okay. Okay, Kanishka, if we have here 5 over -8, what will be the answer?
1 by 5. 1 by 5. Power 8.
Correct. Siva, if we have here 1 over 7 -2, what will be the answer?
Uh, 3
Reciprocal the base here.
7.
Yeah, 7. The negative will become the positive here. The negative power will become the positive here. What will be the answer here? Right.
2.
Advika, if we have 2 raised to power -9, what will be the answer?
1 by 2 to the power of 9.
Right. Are we good here, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Purvi. You joined late today? Purvi, are you there? Okay. Anshul. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. You joined late. Have you listened what we have done yet?
No.
Okay. So what we are doing here, the exponents and the powers here. So if we have here this 4 raised to power 3. So this 3 is the exponent and 4 is the Base. I hope you know this much. Yes, Anshul?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if I say the exponent is -3, there is one thing that you should keep in your mind is that the exponent or the, we can say the power, should never be the negative here. Okay. Now, to make it positive here, what we are going to do here, we are going to reciprocal the base here. What is the reciprocal here of 4? Can you tell me here, Anshul?
1/4.
1/4 here. And the power will be here
3.
3. Are we good here? Everyone, are we good here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is happening? Okay. So here, if we see here, this here, a -3 we have. So what we have done, we have reciprocal the base here and it becomes here 1/a and we have the exponent that is in the positive now. Are we good here?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, what will be the answer if you write in the exponents here? Can you tell me here, Kanishka?
N into n into n into n.
Exponents here.
Exponent. N
So,
by m.
n by n the raised to power here. How many times we are multiplying n here? How many times? Count it. How many times?
4 times.
So the power will be 4 here. Are we good here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here in this one, Anshul, can you guide me here in the second one?
Yes, ma'am. -8 raised to the power 3.
Yes. H, right?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay. Advika, can you please tell me the third one? How should I write here? Advika? Advika?
1 by
Here the exponent is not the -1. The base can be negative here, but the exponent should not be.
4 to the power of 4.
So what we are going to write here, -4 times -4 times here -4. Here 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. 64 times will be 256. Evaluate matlab we have evaluate means here we have to find the value of this here, the expression which is given. Are we good here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Lavanchi, can you tell me the answer for the fourth one?
Here x, then bullet is there, then z. That means x raised to the power z.
No, it's not raised to the power here, it's z here. So 5 times 6 minus here 3 power 5 raised to power 5 here. So 5 times 6 is how much? 30 minus what is 3 raised to power 5 is? It will be something more. 81 times 243, I think. 200, right. So here we will get the answer 213, -213. Are we good here?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, whenever we have the base common here, like if we have 3 raised to power here 5 times 3 raised to power 2. Here, when we are multiplying here two expressions, right? Two expressions here when the bases are here the same. So what we do here, we will write 3 and add the powers. Yes, we are going to add the powers here, and that will become 3 raised to power 7. Are we good here?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
If we have here 5 raised to power 3 times 5 raised to power 2, so what will be the answer, Kanishka? Can you guide me here?
Ma'am, 5. 3 plus 2.
That will be 3 plus 2 is
5. 3 plus 2.
that is 5, right? 3 plus 2. Okay.
Plus
Advika, can you please tell me the answer for the first one here?
a to the power of 3 plus 2, which is a to the power of 5.
A raised to power 5, right?
5.
Okay. Siva, can you tell me the second answer here?
Yes, ma'am. 3 into 3.
The bases are same. So what we are going to do? We are going to add the exponents here. Add them. 4 plus 7 is how much?
11.
11. This is the answer here. Anshul,
Okay,
can you tell me the answer for this one?
Yes, ma'am. 2 raised to the power 8 and 8 raised to the power 10.
Right. Okay. The last here. Harshit, would you like to answer?
Yes. Uh, ma'am, how
So
can we, oh, ma'am, 2x. Ma'am, the bases are, ma'am, I'm being
So
confused.
first of all, what you say, what will you do here? You are going to multiply the numbers here. Okay. You are multiplying the numbers. 2 times 3 is how much?
Ma'am, 6.
6. We will write 6. Now, can you see x and x here?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So we will write x here. What is the exponent of x here in this one?
5,
And this is,
7.
so here the bases are same. What we are going to do here?
Ma'am, the exponential form will be 12.
Yeah.
5 plus 7.
Are we good here?
Yes, ma'am.
So the last thing that we are going to learn here today is when the bases are here the same and the exponents are different. So if I say here 3 raised to power 7 divide 3 raised to power 4. So what will be the answer? We are going now the opposite of the multiplication. Here we are going to subtract the exponents here. So the answer will be here 3 raised to power 3. Are we good here?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, what will be the answer for the first one here, Siva?
I'm on the meet.
Have you got the answer, any one of you?
A by A5.
A, and here we are dividing the here the expressions and the bases are same. So what we are going to do here, we are going to subtract the exponents here. So 5 minus 3,
minus 3 is equal to A2.
right? A square.
A square.
Okay. Advika, can you please tell me the answer for the second one here?
1 by A cube.
Okay, very good. So here the third one. Anyone will answer? Livanshi, Harshit, and Anshul.
Ma'am, can
Ma'am,
I
I
answer?
can.
Okay, yes, please tell.
Ma'am, can I answer Lavanshi?
Okay, first Harshit will answer, then Lavanshi, and then Anshul. Yes,
Ma'am, ma'am, the first will be, ma'am, first will be the 1 by 1 by A by 2.
Okay.
Because there is exponent difference.
And nothing else. B will become here 1. What will be about C here? Libanshi.
Ma'am, it will be c raised to the power 5.
Right. Anshul, do you agree here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect.